Hi, my name is Harley, and today we are going to build a small block Chevy engine. I've already started. For example, I've added the oil pump, the crankshaft, and a camshaft such as this. This is a 60-over racing piston. Now the first step is to take the sleeve and slide and seat it into this. Make sure that you align the notch in the little. The second step is to take the assembly lube and spread it all over the sleeve. You want to use a lot of lube. A lot of it. Then you just spread it around the sleeve like so. Now we are ready to install the piston, but one little tip before you put it in. You do not want to align the rings, which I have installed, the gaps in the rings, like so. Do not align them. Just turn it so the rings do not align. The next step is to compress the rings. You take the compressor and slide it over the rings like so. And you leave a bit of the piston showing out the bottom so you can put it in. You then tighten the compressor until it's firmly on, like so. You then take the piston and put it into the engine upright. And take a rubber mallet and lightly tap it in. The next step is to torque the bolts to 35 pounds, but you want to start off by torquing it to 25 pounds, like so. Get the bolts on. There. Okay. There's one. There's two. Seal down the gaskets. What you need to do is want to stay stream with this. Good steady stream of liquid gasket and place this on top like so and push down and seal it in. Gasket sealant just around here. Okay. Paint it around. Scrape it over here.
2, 3.
The pan has been installed, and now I am going to put in the hydraulics. Okay. So I've been soaking them in grease, and now I've put in all but this last one. And remember to put in the flat end of the hydraulic. Flat end in first, like so. Okay, I'm about to torque the head, to torque it, you must follow the sequence. You should torque it 65 pounds, and make sure to follow the sequence. It's very important. Very important. Okay, so I've done all but 16 and 17 bolts, and this is the third tightening at 65 pounds. And now we are done bolting in. Now I'm going to install the push rod and the rocker arm. First, you take the push rod, put it into the designated slot and push it into the hydraulic below. You then take the rocker arm and slide it on top like so. Then bolt it down. These will be adjusted later. I'm about to install a harmonic balancer, but first I need to put on anti-seize lubricant. So just put some on your finger and spray around on the inside. Okay, so this is our harmonic balancer, and this tool here is to help me put it on. First, you need to key up the harmonic balancer onto the crankshaft, like so. Then you slide these two things back and then screw this on to hold it tight. Okay, so now we need to start adjusting the valves so that the first piston is top dead center. I have created a little device that will tell you if the piston is moving up or down by the air flowing through it. When it's moving up, the air will blow bubbles into this oil. When it is moving down, it will start sucking oil up the tube. So let's get to top dead center here by just turning this wrench on the harmonic stabilizer, which will turn the piston. And as you can see, that it's bubbling. That means it's moving up. Oh, now it just sucked up oil. So this is a way to adjust the valves. First, you tighten this bolt till it's firm and it doesn't shake. Then you take your wrench and turn it exactly 1/2 turn. Then, using your wrench to hold it in place, you take the Allen wrench and screw in the bolt in the middle of it to hold it still. Okay, we're ready to put on the manifold. I've already put on the gaskets, as you can see, and put sealant around the parts where water flows. I put on the gasket maker onto one side, and I am now going to demonstrate how to put it onto the other side. We'll make continuous stream, no breaks in it. Make it pretty thick. It's a 160-degree thermostat. So you place it into the slot like so, and take some sealant and just kind of lightly brush it around. Like so. Okay, so I've installed temporary pulleys that connect the valve pump to the crankshaft, and I've also put on valve caps. Now we're going to put in the distributor. You have to make sure that this little notch right here slides into the notch in here, this little hole. So I need to line it up, okay, slide it in. You may need to jiggle around a bit. Okay, so out of the box, the spark plugs may not be 30 millimeters wide, the gap right there, but it should be. You can easily adjust it by just kind of tapping on it. Just adjusting it a tiny bit. Okay, so obviously I put the engine onto the start stand, and with that I've also put on the exhaust. I have put on a carburetor, a flywheel, a starter, and I've wired the spark plugs to the distributor. Now the next step is to turn the key.